Sakit sih. Apa minta kamu?
Yeah. Alright, my hero, my abasi. Ladies and gentlemen, today we just want to show you some of our clips during shooting behind the scene of Ufowakam season 1, which has to do with episode 1 to 14. So we want to show you now say as we shoot we too with a smile, understand, because Ufowakam is quite funny if you understand epic. Yeah, and a BBO. So sit tight, watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe for the next episode. But today is behind the scene of Ufowakam season 1. My hero, my boss, yo.
Tunggu bunda iran tempo tu mira.
Mama tempo, mbok vida lagi.
Ya, tak ikut. Dia punya orang ke phone yang ke. Apa punya orang telefon?
Iya ni kau dia ni kau prof dia posa sama.
Aku ni wong kaba.
Apa nak milih dia orang?
Ni wong kaba, mbak. Ni wong kaba.
Bantem ke mu fesidem. Dia dia orang nak dia ke miare foto fiamia. Fo fiamia orang kau ngomong ikut aku. Bila fo mari orang ke meri wong kaba. Sio kok be.
Aku ni wong kaba.
Tidak pilih mi.
Oh mi. Mu yung sunang wong kau sih. Wong kaba ni orang pong. Mbok mo yung
mga nyene kisan fi. Bukan ya? Nyene kisan fi.
Oh, mbok yang ami.
Bara ya ka. Mana bu ini se?
Mbok di nyene kusan ge ko domi.
Ira mo fokus mi mbok mo yung mam.
Yen tidak madam nyero sio. Bom me bom.
Awak lagi ya. Kung mai bidai mi ya wong wen.
Awara.
Apa ke fi bom adi ko tisam.
Ini yang age.
Said you should greet him.
What the fuck is he saying?
Apa kau tega foto mi fuck? Said you should greet him.
Should I do no shit? What the fuck is he saying?
Nyene ni aga toilet mi se tori fuck.
Dong ya kom.
He said make you greet her.
I do no shit. What
Me
the
aga
fuck?
toilet. Me we don't have toilet yet. He said do no shit. What the fuck? I could feel fuck. Still bring you here. You two they make noise.
Oh, okay. I think I'm having malaria.
It's okay ya
That's
tam.
why I
I
can't.
taking you the malaria.
Ntiri malaria.
Malaria you don't want to for yet symptoms.
I think I'm having malaria.
Abang taking you the malaria.
Ntong beri malaria.
Abang niatin diri you don't want to for yet symptoms.
Ntong beri typhoid am safe.
Abang mira was it terrified.
Orang itu yan.
Urang tu.
What's your problem?
I think I'm having malaria.
Abang kike me near malaria.
Oh.
You say Lord pity me.
Ntena ya so bang.
Abang mira. He said I say crying God I will cry for you.
God will cry for me.
That one no concern you continue.
They ask me whether I don't ready for treatment. If I'm not ready, I go call you.
Apara wan so ga me na mami akino.
Da yo si gene nye mo nyong tri de nye ya nyong.
Dapat abang na motem.
They say that the Lord want to do something.
Dapat ya bang.
And no first, he said you should get that from the Bekora's kingdom.
Let me get out. This one I killed. What did they worry? Why you say me come me? They crazy. God punish you now.
How about me? Nzoga yena.
Oh, pani ba na yun na yan?
How about me?
Ni mo dia.
Abang mong diaw.
Ntina.
Nyon, hindi ako sa sinang. Ah!
Ndiriero.
Abang tanah yo apa?
Yari ruap.
No yang tam ben jangan mung me.
Ya po Mariam ide.
Oh, ni mo dengan dia.
Ana miri dia orang.
Oh, mo dengan.
Mama mi zembo mami. Na wotu. Papi se yamba ma.
2 + 2.
22 na.
Baba siapa? Hanya melem kumia ba?
Ayam se.
Hanya beke kemebut.
Baba ye me ye di fa.
say whether you be wish to do.
It's okay, Yana. I've already that.
You can't touch me. You get it this night.
It's okay, Yana.
Abang me ye me poni so.
Baik bami.
Abang. Ye me karo.
Gideon, be serious now.
You're getting to the place now.
Serious, serious.
Don't want you come me.
Great day, bang.
How you dey?
It's okay, Yana.
Abang me for body here.
Oh, you may hear this way, fam.
You see how many years you be? 45 years.
My boss.
You don't know 45.
They say what you been doing when you be 35 years?
And the fair guy wey go whoosh get 6 pack. I no see.
It's okay, Yana.
I take you me gara wami. Ani yonga. Ani a 6 pack.
It's 6 packs.
Ngwa me see what I go work it to do ma.
Oh God, what's going on?
You know, you can't hear some man.
They say you in the grace past craziness.
Tell am say if they stupid pass stupidity.
It's okay, Yana.
Abang can tap you. I take. They say whether you need somebody wife that will come and love you.
Actually, I need a beautiful one.
You don't let me to keep on like this. What's wrong with you?
It's okay, Yana.
Abang take you by yambo. Say my.
Apa semua mi semua?
Abang minyak nam yaski deh gua ngan.
I'm dying.
That's it. You are attracted now. If me, I like you. You have to kill me. Nice one. Go into the wall and look for sugar mommy.
Come on, you come me. And you don't want it.
I tell you, I forgot our afternoon, sir.
It's idiot.
When you mean that's different, that's good.
I want him to chase him out.
Abasi,
I don't want it.
I tell you, I've been in yes, you get mong.
I'm in the cook bar, but you go and I will get mom.
I'm going to yellow.
Alright. Hero.
Abang ringing to know.
Until they ringing tune.
Ikwami yes, it's a naked phone, a woman could.
Until here, until I'm a bongo.
Abang, I wake up, see Kwami, I don't want to be live go.
To tell you, until here, until go.
I tell you, come me a song. Abang, come me a song. Oh.
No mo min yo ge.
Ah, me sanga say flyer to song.
Have me show.
I go was an event.
Oh me. Ntiga ma wa je je.
Okay, can am serve yourself. Get there for cake ba. Cause when the phone working so.
He mad, he crazy. I will take you out for this one.
In the work of my
Not like this.
Una mi ko ba ta nga yo ri am fon. Ha ri yo kana ye. Man am ye flyer ge online.
Until the boyfriend safe.
Boyfriend hello, friend name ye boy.
Boyfriend get in effing now.
For now then.
No we man, mommy.
You want to get?
Until the ke.
Omo.
Until the omo.
Ngono mi esi na man to man.
Until the man to man.
How then you then?
Ah, you don't come good food. Somebody ke.
Omo.
Until the omo.
Man to man.
Until the man to man.
Ide na mi esi na ma so kum awi ba.
Until the so come.
So kum aro kum. Let's continue.
Fine boy, did it say?
Why are you howling? Do you want to release track here?
I don't like that guy thing.
Ninyo go pim mama. Irga mi man to go get info. Afo ya desa. Ako ni probably. Papasi. Ai te boka ara mari mi amuvia.
Oh,
Para wanyong. Matman.
Utoba me go fiari mi amu fiayo di ona fi.
Ani baba de no fi upo me foge ye aye ge ye me.
Afori se ke tentu ba ka rong ni mi awo.
No bo ku tong fo kanga kama.
That was quite funny, understand? Yeah, I understand. We don't need answer. Amigo ask, amigo still answer. Ladies and gentlemen, guess what? The season 1 of Ufowakam is out. Look at it there. Season 1 is out now. Everywhere. Look for it. If you can't see it, that means you are not looking for it. So keep looking, understand, until you find it. And you can go to any shops where they sell Aqua Cross movie, all these film sellers. You see your copies everywhere now. Buy it for your family. Buy it and send it to the village. Buy it for your brother. Buy it for your landlord. Buy it and watch. If you don't even want to watch it, just buy it. So that it may miru yemufo. Understand? Support us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's very important. Please, subscription is free just for you to get notified when we upload our video. That's the essence of subscription. And please make sure you always, please always share our video. I'm not forcing you people. I'm begging. Please share our video. Please, don't be stingy. Share so that other people will see. Please, drop your comments anytime we upload our video. We appreciate. Ladies and gentlemen, follow us on Instagram, LoveNation_ENT. Follow us on Facebook, Love Nation Entertainment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Book us for any kind of event, wedding, anything, show, stand-up comedy, stage play. Call that number on the screen. But please don't book us for burial. We don't attend burial. Please, we take God beg you. Even at 9 million, invite us, we will come. Understand? See you next Saturday. Please subscribe to get notified. Though we upload our video different days, but Ufowakam is always drop on Saturday. Love Nation, together we laugh. Love Nation, together we laugh. That's our slogan, man. Ladies and gentlemen, how about my young baby? How about my young baby?
Come on,